Welcome back to another Bushman family video. Today I want to talk about how you can save money when there's no extra money.
And if you're new around here, my name is Libby, mom of the Bushman family. I love to make videos on family finance. We are a debt-free family trying to pay off our house and win with our money. If you're interested in that, please hit subscribe and join our community.
The first tip I have obviously surrounds budgeting. You need to know how much money is coming in and where it's going. So first, figure out your budget. Get that on lockdown. Do you know how much you are making every month? And do you know what are your fixed expenses? What are your variable expenses? Are you spending more on eating out and entertainment than you are on your savings goals? So make sure, number one, that your budget is on lockdown, that you know where your money's going and how much you're bringing in. The next one, I'm not a financial planner by any means, so please ask your financial planner for this one. But for me and my husband, we have tax allowances. So one of your biggest expenses is going to be taxes. And if you can figure out how many allowances you can put on your taxes, then you can get more of your income coming to you and your pocket every month than going to taxes. So I once heard that if you can make your tax return $0, then you are doing really well on your taxes. So my husband and I, we put tax allowances on, and this year I think we're going to get about $230 back with taxes, which is a good amount for us. We don't owe taxes. So we're doing the right amount of allowances for our family. Therefore, every month or every paycheck, we get more of our income coming to us versus going to the government or taxes. Yes, we still do pay taxes, but not as much as they would take and then give us a big tax return later. So I heard someone say once, if you don't have tax allowances, then you are basically giving the government a interest-free loan, right? They're taking your money and then they're giving it back in April or whenever you do your taxes. So for me, my husband and I, we do tax allowance. Along with your tax reduction, if you choose to do that, the other thing I would do is reduce your impact of your taxes. So for instance, if your employer gives you a 401k, if your employer gives you an HSA for medical, you can choose to put some money pre-tax onto those benefits. So you can put money into your 401k. You can put money onto a flexible spending card so that at the end of the year, your taxes will be reduced because you choose to use those benefits. So for our family, we have a 401k and we have flexible spending. So you can put up to $2,600 per family. So that reduces our taxes by that much at the end. Another big thing that you can do to reduce how much money is going out of your pocket is insurances. So life insurance, homeowners insurance, car insurance, medical insurance. So I know it takes a little bit of time to shop around for companies or to get the best benefit, but it can save you a lot of money every month. So for instance, we have car insurance where we pay 6 months at a time, and it saves us hundreds of dollars every time we do that. We also look at the best medical insurance that our company offers, and they have a 3-tier system, and we chose for our family the best tier. So this also benefits if you have an emergency fund. So you've seen on my channel, we've had some medical bills, but we chose to use the least expensive insurance, have an emergency fund, and get more money in our pocket every month. The other big one I've noticed is homeowners insurance and car insurance. There are some companies out there that can bundle your homeowners insurance and your car insurance, and that can save you hundreds of dollars every month and or year, so that it keeps your money in your pocket for your savings goals. My last tip is could be the hardest one for people, but it is to increase your income, right? To save more, to be able to do the things you want to do with your money, it would be to increase your income. So lots of people have chosen to do extra gigs on the side, right? So I have 2 part-time jobs. My husband has his full-time job and a YouTube channel. So we are increasing our income. But I would say it comes at a cost. It is hard to be able to do all of those things all the time. So one thing that I did this year was I asked both of my employers for raises. Yes, it's 2022. Yes, everything has increased. But if your salary or your income is not increasing too, then really you're losing money at your job. So I went in and I asked both of my employers for a raise, and one of them couldn't do it, right? The hands tied, not up to them, that's fine. But at least I asked, and at least they know that I would like to perform well enough to get an increase. My other employer said no at first and was like, you have to work here so long before you can get a raise. So I was like, that's fine, that's what it is. But then come January 1st, they gave us a raise anyway. So just by putting it out there and asking for a raise, it increased our income. So therefore we had more to put towards our savings goals. So I hope you found these tips helpful and that you can decide for your family how to take your income that you already are making and make it work for your savings goals. Hope you have a great day and enjoy the snow.